Alex is writing a Python program. He is sure everything is correct. He clicks run. Python immediately stops. This error is called name error, and it means Python cannot find a variable, a function, or a name that you are trying to use. Think of it like calling someone's name in a room. Alex shouts, John! But nobody named John is in room. Naturally, nobody responds. Python feels the same way. If a name does not exist, Python cannot use it. One of the most common causes is using a variable before creating it. Python reads code from top to bottom. When it reaches to print age, the variable does not exist yet. Now the variable is created first. So Python can use it successfully. Another common cause is a spelling mistake. Notice the difference. One starts with a small letter, the other starts with a capital letter. Python treats them as completely different names. Python is case sensitive. That means and name are all different. Name error can also happen when calling a function that does not exist. Python cannot find the function definition. Whenever you see NameError, ask yourself these three questions. Did I create the variable first? Did I spell the name correctly? Am I using the correct capitalization? Most name errors are solved by checking these things. Alex fixes the variable name, runs the program again, and this time everything works perfectly. Problem solved.